Oh, no. Oh, no. The dog's gonna die. No, you just lost your dog. Why is he Oh, goodbye, dog. Yep. Oh, there goes your dog, dude. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Take him out. Get your revenge, bro. Let's see. What is that? What is this mod? What? Okay, you didn't do all that, bro. You're gonna just kill them with your sword. What is that? Yep, goodbye. You took out the entire world, bro. It's over. What even is the death ray just struck or something, dude. What the heck? The void is there, bro.